Welcome to the tutorial of the basic method of how to solve your Rubik's Cube 3x3x3. In this video, step 0, we will learn how to execute all the movements of this cube. The concept is very simple. In this cube, we have 6 faces. Face, up, down, left, right and back. If you want to turn one face, the movement is named by the first letter of the face. For example, this side is called F, as in face. This side is called R, as in right. This side L, as in left. This side D, as in down. This side U, as in up. And this side B, as in back. If you see an apostrophe after the letter, it means that you need to turn counterclockwise this respective side. So this movement is called R, and this R prime. And the last, this is called R2. Okay? This movement is called L, L prime, and L2. This is called U, U prime, U2. This is called D, D prime, and D2. F, F prime, and F2. B, B prime, and B2. Now, I will teach you how to name this movement of the center layer of the cube. This is called M, M prime, M2. S, S prime, S2. E, E prime, E2. If the letter is in capital letter, we move only one side. If the letter is in lowercase letter, you need to move both layers. So this is little r prime, and little r2. Okay, another example. Lowercase u prime, lowercase u2. And this logic is applied to every other face of the cube. At last, you need to learn the movements of the entire cube. So we have 3 axes, the axis X, Y, and Z. So this movement is called X, X prime, Y, Y prime, and Z, Z prime. But the movements of the entire cube is not frequently used. If you know how to move every layers of the cube, now you can go to the step 1. See you in the next video.
But the second time I have to control the match. Control the match by keep playing the left, the right, in the middle. I have one best opportunity for score. Iraq mark in the middle from behind.